Our new McDonald's Spicy Chicken McNuggets are just the right amount of spicy. A small to medium Sprite kind of spicy. Let's get a McFlurry after this kind of spicy. But if you get the mighty hot sauce, it's a napkins for foreheads now kind of spicy. This came from McDonald's kind of spicy. Because our Spicy Chicken McNuggets, breaded in tempura and made with cayenne, are just the right amount of spicy. Unless you remember what I said about the sauce. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Presenting the Flying McNuggets! The McDonald's Chicken McNuggets! The barbecue sauce! The action!
My mother always told me I'd go far!
This is a hot act!
It's a good time for the great taste.
You guys always make dipping such a big production!
It's the McNugget Games. You'll see boxing,
Gotcha!
gymnastics.
Good luck, Jim. Thanks, Jim. Don't forget your favorite event, Ronald.
Oh, yeah.
When you believe in magic.
Archery.
It's the training program of Rocket Lisa Rodriguez and fearsome Jimmy Freeman. It's the Michael Jordan Fitness Fun Happy Meal from McDonald's. Each one you buy comes with one of 8 Happy Meal toys. So in case you've never heard of Storm and Sandy Schwartz, don't worry.
You will.
The great basketball playoff starring Ronald McDonald.
And our Chicken McNuggets!
And Ronald makes the first basket. Now the McNuggets make a basket. The score's all tied up and the crowd's going wild. Ronald moves in for a dunk.
Barbecue sauce, McDonald's barbecue sauce here.
And the McNuggets go for a dunk.
And you didn't even dribble!
It's a good time for the great taste of McDonald's.
We are chicken, and rapping's our thing, cause rapping's all talk,
And they can't sing.
we like to rap and unwrap too. Whoa, look out! We got this dance where we spin around, we get real dizzy and we all fall down. Hit it, Ronald! We can do that, but we're chicken! We like this rap, it really rocks, but we'd rather jump in the barbecue sauce, cause we're chicken!
You know the one McDonald's.
Oh, oh,